Hello everybody, my name is Philip Blake from the Philip Moss channel, and on today, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the Thomas & French Trackmaster push-along engines. I have Fiery Flynn, which I don't own him yet. Yeah, I don't think I ever bought this yet in my life, but now I have him. So this is Fiery Flynn, or Flynn. And also got Paxton. Yeah, Flynn I got from Target, and I've got Paxton from Walmart. Yeah, that's the one that has the Thomas & French Trackmaster logo. And I finally found Toby. I've been looking everywhere for Trackmaster Toby. Or for the Trackmaster Push-Along Toby. I do have the Trackmaster 2 Toby. Yeah, but not the Trackmaster Push-Along Toby. So first I'm gonna start with Fiery Flynn. So, made by Fisher-Price, ages 3 and up. The back, paid entertainment, and all the copyright information. So let's open this up. Alright, so here's Flynn, Fiery Flynn. Flynn's ladder moves up and down, which is pretty nice. Doesn't move side to side, but that's alright. He's still pretty cool, nonetheless. He has, like, tires, and in the show, Flynn can be on the rails or the road. And he does not have a front coupler like his water tank. Yeah. So you can hook up to like the other push-along engines or the motorized engines. So anyways, here's Flynn's water tank. All plasticky and stuff like that. I mean, overall still looks pretty nice. Rolls very nicely. Hold on, let me get a good detail. Fast and fearless on Fiery Flynn. We will. Next, I'll open up Paxton. Back, other engines you can get. You can see, like I said, they can connect to each. The push-along engines can hook up to the motorized engines. They both work on Trackmaster Track, which is pretty cool. You got Thomas, Percy, and Victor. Of course, you can collect more than just these three. Fisher-Price, Hit Entertainment. Alright, here's Paxton. Pretty nice. Alright, last but definitely not least, I saved the best for last in this video. I've got Toby, and to complete my original Steam team and to complete the original Steam team, I do have all the engines from the Big World Big Adventures Steam team. I just need to have Toby from the entire Steam team overall, even though Toby's no longer on the Steam team anymore, which is unfortunate. Anyways, back, I do want to get the, I don't think I got Paint Splatter. I think I might have gotten Paint Splatter Thomas, I think. But I don't have Seaweed Salty. I know I have Percy and Nia as well. Back, cover information, Fisher-Price, Kid Entertainment. And here he is, all its glory. He looks a little wider, but overall I still think it looks a little nice. This is cow catcher and side plates. His buffer. This part is like not red like in the show, so it's just like all gray. So Fisher Price went cheap on that. His bell, and his bell's like sculpted on the roof, and he's got his funnel. Feels like his funnel, it should have been completely painted like black, just like in the show. Number 7. And of course, like the windows and these parts are like sealed off. I mean, overall, I still think Toby looks pretty nice. Of course, you can come up just like so. Beep, beep. So that's going to do it for me, everybody. See y'all next time. Bye.